everyone. Are you seeing the message? This iPhone encountered an issue while starting. Don't worry, this usually happens after an update. I will show you simple ways to fix it step by step. Step 1. Force restart your iPhone. First, try a force restart. Quick press and release the volume up button. Then volume down and press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. This refreshes the system and often fixes startup errors. Step 2. Wait and try. Sometimes your iPhone is still completely background setup after an update. Wait a minute, then unlock your iPhone and check if the error disappeared. Step 3. Check storage space. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. If your storage is completely full, it can cause startup issue. Delete some unused app or files to free up space. Step 4. Check for another iOS updates. Now go to Settings, General, Software Update. If a new update is enabled, install it. Apple often releases small glitches for bugs like this. Step 5. Reset all settings. If the problem continues, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This won't lead to data, but it will reset system settings. It may be causing the issue. Last option, restore using a computer. If nothing works, connect your iPhone to a computer. Open Finder or iTunes and choose Update. This reinstall iOS without deleting your data. And that's it. These steps should fix the iPhone encountered an issue while starting problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.